How to make natural bamboo string. An in-depth guide that walks you through the fascinating process. The material is sourced from bamboo stalks, of course. Getting rid of the nodes. How satisfying! Bamboo is one of the most sustainable building materials. You can integrate it in your home decor projects. It looks both timeless and modern at the same time. And if you want anything bamboo related, now you know who to call. So fast and skilled. Handmade matters. Handmade is happiness. For anyone interested, the strings can be used to make baskets, fishnets, and lots of other handicrafts. He makes the whole process look so easy. Like a second nature. The discarded skin looks like sisal confetti. Let's give this man some love in the comments section. He truly deserves it. Hands of steel. This was it, you guys. Thanks for watching along.